Therefore, we can say that taking the help of the device, the meter scale, we can measure easily any length of any body, and the unit of the length is centimeter. Is this clear? Now 1 meter is 100 centimeter. We know this in math, that 1 meter will be equal to 100 centimeter. A meter scale is divided by 100 marks of equal distance. The distance between the two marks represent 1 centimeter. So the difference between the two marks will be 1 centimeter. Each centimeter is divided by 10 smaller marks, and that will represent 10 millimeter. So this is the smaller unit. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. We know about that. That is 1 meter is equal to 10 into 100 equal to 1000 millimeter. This is nothing but mathematical calculation. The conversion of the unit centimeter to meter, or meter to centimeter, then centimeter to millimeter, or millimeter to meter. Such as 10 millimeter will be equal to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter will be 1 meter. To measure larger length of the unit, kilometer is used. Mind it. So the smaller unit of length is centimeter, whereas the larger length will be measured by using the unit kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and this is the measuring scale of length. Ten hectometer will be 1 kilometer. So first we have learned that the smaller unit of measuring length is centimeter, larger length is the kilometer, and the hectometer is also larger than the kilometer. So 10 hectometer, hectometer is also smaller than the kilometer. So 10 hectometer will be 1 kilometer. The scale we use in our school has two types of units, both centimeter and the inch. At one edge centimeter is marked, and on another edge inches are marked. 12 inches make a foot. So that's all about the measuring length. The unit of length is centimeter. This is a smaller unit, whereas the larger unit is the kilometer. And using the measuring scale, we can measure easily the length of any thing. Now come to the third point of the module 2, that is the measuring volume. The space occupied by a body is the volume of the body. So what is the body? Body is the space, and that will be occupied by a body, that will be known as the volume of that body. So how can we measure the volume of any body? The unit is the cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of cube expressed in unit is termed cubic centimeter. We know volume is composed of 3 dimensions: length, breadth, and the height. That's why here the unit is the cubic centimeter. What is the meaning of the cubic centimeter? That means 1 centimeter in length, 1 centimeter in breadth, and 1 centimeter in the height. That's why the unit is the cubic centimeter. But the volume of liquid is not measured in cubic centimeter. Mind it, only the solid, the volume of solid is measured by the cubic centimeter, but whereas the volume of liquid is not measured by the cubic centimeter, it is measured mainly by the unit liter. Have you got the idea that cubic centimeter will be used as a unit to measure the volume of any solid, whereas liter will be used to measure the volume of any liquid. And what is the meaning of the 1 liter? The volume of 1 kg weight of pure water at 4 degrees Celsius is 1 liter. Once again I am reading, the volume of 1 kg weight of pure water. That means if the weight of pure water is 1 kg at the temperature 4 degrees Celsius, then the volume of that water will be 1 liter. And 1 liter is the 1000 milliliter. For measuring volume of any liquid, measuring cylinder is used. So what is the device of measuring the volume of any liquid body? Answer is measuring cylinder. I hope the concept is clear regarding the measuring volume. Now come to the page number 65. Here you will get, after completing the module 1 and the module 2 topics of this chapter, there are different types of questions based on this chapter and you have to answer yourself. So this is your home assignment. Answer the following questions. Question number A, there are 8 different types of questions you have to answer. Question number B, question number C, question number D. This is your home assignment and you will answer this question and you will send me at my WhatsApp number. Happy learning.